Its climate is quite different from India. We have a very high fluctuation in temperature during this year. We need sustainable materials which can take very diverse climatical conditions. I've been around now in India during this week and see how much emphasis is put on in environment. So as much as we know about Aludecor, the production is really environmentally friendly and sustainable. So the basic aluminium composite product panel is like the bread and butter. But as you see, there is honeycomb, the material, dual with copper composite and zinc composite. So the variety of materials is really wide in Aludecor, as well as the design choices are really contemporary and speaking to also not only Indian customers but worldwide everything. In Estonia, in my country, fire retardancy very taken very seriously. So basically, facade without lower than B1, it can be done in public buildings. Privately, you can do whatever you want, but public buildings and mostly also A2 is a requirement very often. We have both. You have the BS1, B0 material, which is like commonly, but also you have A2 class material, which is like really high level of business. Rating is BS1 by European standards, BS1, B0, and A2. Fire rating and ETA beautification sometimes helps, and but it's not. It's of course CE marking. CE marking is very good. Can't sell a building product without the C, not CE.